Alright, boys, we finna try something new today. We got the Croix, and we got the teacup. Okay. Fill her up. And now, this baby's going in the microwave. Oh, fuck. Stay tuned. Alright, so it's almost done cooking. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab some tea. Pizza rolls are done. Ooh, look at that. Nice and bubbly. It's like it's boiling. Oh my gosh, we're gonna blow this place up. So, right, we got our spicy water that's heated up, and we have our tea bag, and I'm just gonna place that puppy in there. You see, it's nice and oh man, it's just dissolving like Spider-Man when he died. And you put another one in there, just two bags for the extra caffeination. Man, oh, that already smells good. It's like good. So one thing I did not account for in my calculations was inflation. See, these babies are getting kind of, they're kind of blown up like balloons, and I think it's probably because of all the carbonation in the water, and they're not really sinking, so they're kind of just like sitting at the top, which makes complete sense when you take into account that LaCroix is so spicy that nothing can drown in it. So I think I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna take the tea bags out because I don't know, Alright, it's been a minute, so I think it's time for the taste test. I'm super excited to see what this tastes like. It just has all of those pleasant aromas. Like, it reminds me of back in the day, like going to swim meets, but also making tea with Colton. So it's like super. Okay, ready? Here goes nothing. So I'm honestly kind of disappointed, and here's why. So when I put the LaCroix in the microwave, I was thinking of when you leave a box of LaCroix in the back of your car during the summer, and then you take it out, and then it's like it just has this weird feeling when it's like warm LaCroix and you drink it. It makes you all tingly inside, and I thought that by putting it in the microwave, it would kind of simulate that same sensation, but I think I put it in for too long, or just microwaves have that effect on LaCroix. They just get rid of all the carbonation. Now it just tastes like cucumber water. I don't even know what I was drinking there, because LaCroix isn't LaCroix without the la, like the LaCroix, So now it's just kind of like cucumber tea water, which is fine. I love tea. Cucumbers are fine, I guess. But honestly, kind of disappointed. I thought I'd. So if I'm going to summarize this whole experience, I'd say that, it was worth it for the knowledge of knowing what happens when you microwave LaCroix and then try to put tea in it. Very specific, but taste-wise, it wasn't the best. I mean, there's a noticeable difference. Like, I can tell that it's not just green tea. I can tell that there's like a little bit of like whatever that LaCroix flavor was. Anyway, if you were to try this experiment on your own, I'd say don't waste your time. It was worth it for me to do it for the sake of science, but I think for the general public, it's not too necessary.